Rawlson on the Rillerah.
Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah.
Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah.
And the brawler suet. Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah. Add a little brawler, brawler to it. Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah. Add a little brawler suet. Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah. Add a little brawler, brawler to it. Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah. Add a little brawler suet. Now the Rawlson is a Swedish town. The Rillerah is a stream. The brawler is a boy and girl. And Hut-Sut is their dream. Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah. Add a little brawler, brawler to it. Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah. Add a little brawler suet. In a town in Sweden by a stream so clear and cool, there sat a boy just a fishing and a dreaming when he should have been in school. Now he couldn't read or write a single Swedish word, but happiness he found in a little Swedish song he heard. Here's the way he made it sound. Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah. Add a little brawler, brawler to it. Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah. Add a little brawler suet. Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah. Add a little brawler, brawler to it. Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah. Add a little brawler suet. Now the girl played hooky from school that day and came down to the stream. She sat down beside the little Swedish boy and they began to dream. Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah and the brawler, brawler suet. Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah and the brawler suet. Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah and the brawler, brawler suet. Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah and the brawler suet. Now the brawler is a boy and girl, the Hut-Sut is a dream. The suet is their teacher who caught them by the stream. Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah and the brawler, brawler suet. Hut-Sut Rawlson on the Rillerah and the brawler suet. Now the boy and girl are back in school, shattered is their dream. The teacher planted poison oak all along the stream. It's a crazy kind of a song to belong to a boy and girl in love with a beautiful dream. But they love to sing, swing, all the livelong day. Shoot-de-shun-shun, shoot-de-shun-shun, on the rill.